Milo Imagines a World is another book where a child uses drawings and their imagination in order to reshape their reality. So we will see illustrated in a brilliant collage the reality of riding on the subway ride that Milo is experiencing, and then we will see Milo's drawings where he is going beyond that reality and interpreting what's happening to the people around him, and then implicitly giving away something of his own worldview and his own thoughts about himself and how he fits in to this world that he sees. These pictures are dramatically different from the vibrant watercolors that we see in Becker, but they just as easily invite us, the reader, in to understand this. Why is that, and how does it work? Answering those kinds of questions is analyzing a book like this. So, our textbook gave us a place to start, which is a high interest book, is one that the protagonist is within the same age range, roughly, of the child reader, and that the reader can find themselves in this text. So this text is actually based on Christian Robinson's life experiences. As a child, this is something he identified with, and we all know, there are children who identify with Milo. And in a broader sense, any child can identify with Milo in that all children are trying to understand and make sense of their world in different ways, and they're telling stories to themselves to make that happen. And the pictures that Milo draws are very identifiable for the child reader, because these look like the kind of pictures that a child would draw. What does that do for the kid who is looking at this? Does it affirm that their drawings, that their art, that their skills are worthy of being published and winning awards? Does it affirm their imagination the same way that this does? Analyzing that, answering those questions would be the beginning of getting to how and why Milo Imagines a World works for a child reader. And that sort of experience, seeing, okay, how is this working for me? How do I think this could work for a student or a child reader in the future, is the fun of this class.